Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a property expense invoice on TenantCloud. To get started, simply go up to the accounting button on the left side menu. From here, you'll see two buttons in the upper right corner, one titled Money In and one titled Money Out. For an expense invoice, we'll select Money Out, where we'll see the option to do either a property expense or a general expense invoice. The difference between these two invoices is a general expense is an expense associated with, for instance, the property management company itself for things like office supplies such as printer, toner, pen, paper, etc. Property expense is an expense that is associated with the property itself or a specific property within your portfolio. In this case, we're going to select property expense. From here, we're going to select what the category is. For this invoice, we're going to select the heater or furnace. Simply enter in all of the information associated with this expense invoice, who this expense invoice is going to be paid to, the property that the invoice is associated with, the unit number, if it is associated with a specific unit number, and some details about the invoice. Have any associated files that you would like to upload, such as a invoice, a receipt, or a quote, you can do that here, and then simply select Create. Congratulations, you have successfully created a property expense invoice. You'll want to review the information here just to make sure that you didn't miss anything that may need to be added. And you can also mark it as paid if this is an invoice that has already been paid. And when doing so, it is going to ask for the information associated with this property expense invoice and how you paid it, as well as perhaps a receipt for the payment showing that you paid this invoice. You can also print off a copy or download it in the event that you need a hard copy or a local copy on your hard drive. And if you need to edit it, you can do that here, or select actions such as make it a recurring invoice, or if you have additional invoices like this one, you can clone this invoice to continue creating more property expense invoices. Or if you created it by accident, you can either void it or delete it. And that is how easy it is to create a property expense invoice on TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.